The 2026 tech landscape is flooded with free certification programs. Giants like Google, Microsoft, and AWS are providing unprecedented access to their internal training platforms. But we need to start with a reality check. Holding one of these digital badges does not mean a recruiter is going to reach out with a job offer the moment you finish. These credentials provide the specific technical markers required to clear automated screening systems and demonstrate a verified baseline of competency to a human hiring manager. Because the price tag is zero, beginners often make the mistake of trying to collect them all, grinding through courses across unrelated disciplines and wasting weeks of effort. To break into the industry, you have to stop treating these as free prizes. The true cost is your time, and you need to treat it as a strategic investment targeted at a specific career path. We can evaluate these certificates using one core metric: the time and effort required versus the realistic impact they have on your resume. This chart maps study time versus resume impact. In the bottom left, low-effort generic courses yield almost no impact. The right is the danger zone, spending months on rigorous credentials that simply do not align with your target jobs. Navigating out of this danger zone requires understanding that Google, Microsoft, and AWS build their educational tracks around distinct hiring priorities and tech ecosystems. Google's approach to education is visible in programs like their IT support, data analytics, and digital marketing certificates. Their strategy focuses on teaching platform-agnostic skills. Instead of training you strictly on Google software, they teach you how to write SQL, run SEO campaigns, and understand networking principles that apply anywhere. As the matrix shows, this creates high horizontal mobility. You can take a Google Data Analytics certificate and apply for roles at almost any company, regardless of their specific software stack. The trade-off is depth. Because the curriculum is designed for absolute beginners, it lacks the deep, specialized technical edge required for engineering or advanced development roles. Google's ecosystem is a starting line for career switchers. They prioritize broad industry access over narrow technical specialization. Microsoft offers a different path, specifically through their Azure Fundamentals and AI Fundamentals tracks. These courses introduce you to ecosystem lock-in. Microsoft teaches concepts that are explicitly engineered to work within their proprietary corporate software environments. This results in high platform lock-in. You aren't just learning AI or cloud services, you're learning the specific way Microsoft deploys those services within a corporate network. This limits your flexibility across different platforms, but it is highly valuable to recruiters in Fortune 500 IT departments who already rely on the Microsoft stack. Microsoft certs operate as a specialized on-ramp to long-term roles in corporate IT. You trade general tech knowledge for direct alignment with the software these companies use every day. The final major platform to consider is Amazon Web Services, specifically through the Cloud Practitioner and Machine Learning Foundations tracks. AWS maintains the largest share of the cloud market. Their architecture serves as the backbone for a majority of the modern internet. Because of that market share, AWS certifications carry the highest immediate weight with technical employers, as shown in our completed matrix. However, AWS has a much steeper learning curve. It requires more baseline technical knowledge, making it a difficult starting point for a novice, compared to Google's introductory tracks. For those committed to back-end engineering and cloud architecture, AWS is the most direct path to the high-end technical roles in the industry. To make this actionable, we can map your decision based on your specific goals for the next year. This flowchart matches your experience to a target outcome. 0 experience, follow the branch to the Google IT or data tracks. For established corporate IT, move toward Microsoft Azure. For cloud engineering, follow the branch to AWS. Selecting the right branch ensures that your study hours move you toward a specific job title, rather than just an entry on a resume. But selecting the certificate is only the first step. Completion alone will not secure an interview in this market. You must take the theoretical knowledge from the course and immediately translate it into a tangible personal project. A certificate proves you can pass a standardized test. A personal project, like a deployed database, proves you can apply those skills to real-world problems. Pick your ecosystem today, finish the coursework, and start building your portfolio immediately. The certificate gets your resume past the automated filters, but your applied project